excited? Nah? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. So, everybody, what are your plans for the new year? So, everybody, how did you celebrate New Year last night? Did you go to your local park? Did you see your family? Did you see the fireworks? Well, yes, that's exactly what I did. I went to the local park with a few friends. I even met my school friends. That was really exciting and shocking too, because I didn't expect them to see them. We also saw the fireworks, and oh my god, that was so amazing with the colors in the sky. But also there was a few smoke, but other than that, it was amazing. And also, what are your resolutions for the new year in 2022? Are they like, suppose, letting go of something? Do you want to have goals for the new year and focus on something specifically? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to do, and I have something really, really special. So look what I have! A gratitude journal. Wow! My parents bought this specially so I could set down goals for throughout my year 2022 in my year 6. And also, this journal will help me make it easier so that I know what to focus on, not focus on, and what are my goals for the year throughout the 365 days. So coming to the first page, I will be starting this today, which is the first of the 22nd. So at the end of each day, I will write down these 3 questions to the answers. So the first one is, I will let go of. Then I am grateful for. And then lastly, I will focus on 4 goals throughout the year. So the first one, I will let go of. Let go of means basically, what do you not want to focus on this year? Like, you might think that something is too complicated, or you might not understand it properly, so you don't want to do it. So you just want to forget about it and focus on something different. So that is what I will let go of means. Then coming to I am grateful for here. This is a long paragraph to write. So what I'm grateful for? So whatever has happened throughout the day, what fun things have happened, you can write that in what I am grateful for. So what happened last night? As I explained to you, we went to the local firework. So that's what I wrote down, what I am grateful for. I saw the fireworks last night, which was really amazing. So that's what I would write, I am grateful for. So whatever happened throughout the day, just write it here. Then lastly, I will focus on. I will focus on means like, well, we were talking about I will let go. So it's the opposite of that. What do you really want to focus on? What do you really want to learn? What is your most favorite thing? So you would also write some goals for that. So over here in this journal, there are four goals to write down for the year. And what do you really want to focus on those 4 goals the most? And these pages are there throughout the 365 pages in the book. So that's basically what a gratitude journal is. And also, I would suggest for you to also get this book so your year will be very calm and settled. And you won't need to rush about everything because you can just look back through your journal and see what will you focus on, what will you let go of, and what are you mostly grateful for. Also, my friends, just to let you know that when in the book it says what I am grateful for, so here, I am grateful for, that doesn't just mean happiness, like what I explained earlier that happened. I saw the local fireworks at my park with friends. That was happy. But gratefulness can also be something simple, like helping your parents at home with the chores, or like helping an animal too. Even those could be signs of gratefulness. So also, 2 things. Happiness, like what happened before, and helping someone in a simple way. So what do you think, my friends? Do you want to start journaling like me with the gratitude journal? Well, if you do, then do like this video and share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as it is the new year 2022. Woo!